Well, hello there, sweet angel here. Y'all, today I have teamed up with Nail Addict. Yes, Nail Addict is a Los Angeles-based gel polish obsessed brand focused on healthy, vegan, and cruelty-free products. I was super excited that they said they were sending me some polishes over, and oh my goodness, here they are right here, and we're going to test them out today, check them out, and see what amazing colors I have in this box. Oh well, I am already falling in love because I see some colors that I don't think I have. So I'm excited to find out what we're working with today. Oh, let me go ahead and empty this box out so we can really get into this. Nothing else there. Look at this, beautiful packaging. I'm in love with that for sure. Now the first thing I have in my hand right here is the Nail Addict, the No Wipe Top Coat. Yes, indeed. Used as the last step in gel application, the No Wipe Top Coat is committed to bringing you a protective, long-lasting layer without leaving the sticky residues after curing. Color resistant and flexible, it can last 4 to 5 weeks without smudging or losing high gloss. Okay, a groundbreaking formula for long-lasting shine. That's what they said. Now, Nail Addict did send me this top coat. However, there is no base coat. So I'll go ahead and keep on my nail enhancements today and just apply the polish on top of my nail enhancements. Now, did you just see that? Yes, I do have a 55% off discount code for you. Check it out. Now let's see what we have here. A pink nail polish. Beautiful color, beautiful color. Let's see, the name of this one is Be My Baby. I love that. Yes, I do. Let me see what she's talking about. Oh, girls. Oh, girl, you are speaking to me. Yes, you are. I love this. And honey, I am ready for some more. Yes, we do. This is a beautiful, kind of a brick looking color. I love that. Yes, these colors are going to go together nicely. This one is BFF. Yes, indeed. She's pretty, and she's pretty, and she's pretty again. Absolutely. We're moving right along here. The next shade. I'm loving these colors. I am, honey. What you trying to do to me? Hello, Dusk at Sea. Beautiful girl, you have caught my eye. Now this color, do I have a color like this? I don't know. I really don't know. Now everything is true to color, the label, the top of the nail polish. So I love that because a lot of times the gel polishes don't come with the color on top or the name, and you're looking at numbers, and that don't work for me. And the final color is actually one of their glitter, glimmer, shimmer type shades. This is the Precious. Okay, I love that. Yes, I do. So now I'm ready to create some fantastic looking nails for y'all. So we're ready. We have the nail lamp. We have our alcohol for wiping them off, because I always do that. A little paper towel. Are you ready for this? And don't forget your discount. My 55% discount is waiting on you. I'm ready to do these nails, beautiful babes. Let's get to it.
Sometimes everything just gets hard.
And beautiful babes, just like that, we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching the application of these wonderful nail polishes. These gel polishes did go on smooth and creamy and definitely cured perfectly. And yes, nice glossy shine to that top coat. I love that one. That's a keeper for sure. And these polishes are beautiful, vibrant, and very opaque. I think you'll be pleased with them, so check the website out. Again, don't forget about that 55% discount. And I know this is a no wipe, but I just have a habit of doing that. But it's okay, you really don't have to. This is it, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for coming to Sugar Fingers, hanging out with me today. And listen, I'll see you on the next video. Y'all, I've already put these in my little 360 rotating nail holder over here in the nail station area, and love how they look. Very wonderful addition, and these colors are vibrant and popping, as you can see. All right, there we go, beautiful babes. See you on the next one. Bye. And please like, comment, subscribe, and keep those hands looking gorgeous.